Chess friends, the FIFA Football World Cup will start tomorrow, the 21st of November. This picture of Messi and Ronaldo in Louis Vuitton's photo shoot is now viral online. On the occasion of Football World Cup 2022. You can check my description for more information. I am excited for FIFA World Cup, and this very special game, Ronaldo vs Messi. And friends, I want to inform you that they have no official ratings, so I put a nearby ELO ratings by checking their chess moves. And friends, comment me, who is the best player according to you and why? Let's start the game. Ronaldo starts with c4, e5. g3, bishop here and knight c3 is top engine choices move, he played this. Knight c6, we have g3, bishop comes on c5, e3 by Ronaldo. But best was to play bishop here on knight f3, but Ronaldo is Ronaldo, he plays his own way. We have knight f6, knight comes on e2, he wants to play d4, so Messi strikes the center with d5, creating space for the knight, opening up the bishop, and opening line for the queen, so c captures on d5, knight captures on d5, d4, knight takes c3 by Messi, b takes c3, queen up to d3, so rook g1, bishop back to e7, queen comes on b3, you shouldn't take the queen, because of a takes b3, the rook will get an open file, so queen back to d7 by Messi, but best was to play queen d6, Ronaldo played rook b1. But best move was to play bishop g2, activating the bishop, or f4. Anyway, we have castle. Bishop here, queen goes to f5, e4 by Ronaldo, but best was to play rook up to b2, because you lose control to play f4, and get activation of your pieces, also you blocked the bishop line. So, queen slides on h5, he played f3, he wants this, but best was to play queen c4, anyway, we have rook d8, king up to f2. a6, Messi missed e takes d4, then takes, rook takes, win a free pawn. Queen here, bishop developed on d7, a4 by white, b5. Ronaldo played again a wrong move, because he was prepared for Football World Cup, 4 hours sleep, 14 hours exercise and practice, no Facebook, no WhatsApp, no YouTube, that's why he had no time to watch my videos and improve his chess tactics, best was to take the pawn. But Messi played best move knight a5, because he is a Stockfish subscriber, and you can subscribe my channel to get more contents, otherwise please like the video, that's enough for me. Threading this, and you can't take it, because of this, the pawn is still becoming a passed pawn, and targeting the d4 pawn with rook and pawn. So, f4. B takes a4, he wants this, targeting the knight with queen and bishop, then take the d4 pawn, then push the pawn, knight here. So, knight c3, knight comes on b3. A takes b5, if you think queen takes b5 is the best move, no it's not, because this pawn is protected by the queen. So, e5, Messi played c5, sacrificing a rook to the bishop. Ronaldo says okay, do your worst, bishop takes rook. Chess friends, I want that you pause the video and try to find the best move for Messi, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you find rook takes bishop, then congratulations, you are wrong, because there is these moves, queen takes check, then queen back to h5, black will lose all his advantages, white will push all his pawns, d6 is a big threat. And these pawn are not so good. King here, the king is very safe. So, in this position, we have best move by Messi, c takes center pawn, you can't take it because it's protected by the rook and knight. Then he captured the bishop. Queen f5, threading rook c2, or he can play bishop a3. So, g4. Queen c6, if you take the queen with your queen, then rook takes c6, king here. I mean black have very good passed pawns, white can't stop them. So, in this position, we have rook d1. d2, you can't take the pawn, because it's pinned to the king. Also rook takes d2 is a worst idea because of this, so, king e2. Guys, again, I want that pause the video and figure out best move for Messi. Go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, if you find rook takes bishop, then congratulations, you are correct, king takes, there is bishop check and bishop takes f2. Wish you all the best, thanks for watching, subscribe for more, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video.